Hi guys, so I have here a laptop that constantly overheats, and I just want to show you how you can fix this problem for once and for all so that it will never again overheat. So I'm going to do it on a HP, however this process should be the same on any other laptop. So we're going to open this casing and then get to motherboard, and then we shall go up to the processor of the motherboard and I'll show you how you can fix it. So follow along, and I hope this will help you. My name is Isaac, and if you'll find this video helpful, I'll request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Now the first thing you need to do is to remove your battery if your laptop has the external battery. Otherwise, if it has internal battery, just make sure it is powered off. So let's go ahead and I'll show you this quick fix that can be done by anybody. Now go ahead and unscrew all the screws on your laptop, and I'll unscrew mine. So I've removed the casing, and as you can see, this is the motherboard that we have on our laptop. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and unscrew this heatsink. As you can see, it is attached to the processor. So I'll unscrew it. So we have here our heatsink, and this is the plate that is attached to the processor. So if you look at the processor, you can see the thermopaste around the processor is very dry, and therefore the cooling process is hampered. So we want to go ahead and clean this area, and then go ahead and show you how we can apply new thermopaste to solve this problem. So I'll clean, just take a tissue paper or a clean piece of cloth, and then clean this processor. Remove all the residues that are around it. And also remove the residues on the plate. And look at that, it is pretty clean. Now the next thing we're going to do is to apply thermopaste, and you can easily buy this at any electronic shop. It is cheaply and available on the market. This is a semi-solid paste that we shall apply on our processor. So I'll go ahead and squeeze some out, just like that. So make sure it only goes to the processor, the shiny part alone, just like that, and also this. Just like that. You also have another part that is here. So for yours, it might be different, might only be one, just like that. So go ahead and make sure it spreads well on that shiny part. So I'll spread it just like that. and it's done. So just apply enough, don't apply excess, because if you apply excess it will spill over. That's done. Now it's time to go ahead and return the heatsink. And before you return the heatsink, make sure that your heatsink and these vents are clean. If they are not clean, go ahead and wipe any form of dust from it and the fan. That will ensure continuous circulation of air. And once you are done, now go ahead and return it in its place carefully. And now we go and screw Now we are done. So this is what you do to fix any heating problem or persistent heating problem on your laptop. So once you're done, go ahead and now put on the casing and screw the drivers and then open your laptop, and that should be done. So from here, if you go ahead and power on your laptop, now it should work just well. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly like this video and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.